Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can run a test order on your Shopify store, and this is great if you're updating your payment methods and you want to know if this is smooth. So let us get into it. The first thing you want to do is go down to the left hand side of your page and tap on settings, and here you want to look for payments. Now if you don't initially see this for testing bogus gateway, what you want to go ahead and do is tap on add payment method, and hereby search by provider, tap in bogus, and you will find it here. Okay, so what's going to happen is you're going to go ahead and tap on this, and you're going to add this as a payment method. Now down over here you will see an activate button, and you will then just tap on activate, and this will now be activated. You can use it as a payment method. The next thing we're going to go ahead and do is we are going to open up our online store, which somewhat looks like this, and we are going to actually place an order. So let's go down here and let us purchase one of these paintings of a banana riding a bicycle. All we need to do is tap on the quantity and tap on add to cart. And now we can go and check out our cart by tapping on view cart. So this is the area now where we get to actually make the purchase. So we can go ahead and tap on the checkout over here. And then we're going to go over to the left hand side and we're going to fill in our contact detail. We can now also enter a delivery address as well as a shipping method, and then you also want to enter in your credit card details. Okay, so if you're using PayPal, this would be for a real purchase. But if you're choosing credit card, as you can see, this is the icon over here with the bogus gateway payment option. We're going to now enter those details. Now you can literally enter any details. So your credit card number, for example, can be 1, your security code can be 123, and your expiration date can be something that is in the future. You can now also put a name on the card, and it can be absolutely any random name, and then you're going to tap on pay now. You will see now that this is your confirmation, and here is your order number. You can now see that it gives you a summary on the right hand side, and down over here gives you all the details. Alright, so all of the information you need is right over here, including that payment method, which was credit card number 1, and the total amount that was paid. We can go ahead now back into our dashboard, and on the left hand side we can tap on orders. We can now see that this order has come in. It's this one right over here at the top, and now you know that your payment method works. Now what we want to do is click on this order itself, and we want to go ahead to the top of the page, and you'll see a refund button. You're going to tap on this refund button, and you're going to give a reason for the refund, and on the right hand side you are going to refund that amount. And we are going to just uncheck the send a notification to the customer unless you really do want that notification to come through to that email address, and you're going to tap on refund. This has now been refunded, and if you go to your orders page again, you will see that this line is now refunded. It's the very top one. Now you can manage your payment methods and make sure that they work correctly before you deal with a real customer. Now if you want to learn more about Shopify, you can go ahead and explore our channel. We have tons of awesome videos that will be very helpful to you so you can grow. We'll see you next time.